Hi, welcome to Hiscript Academy. Today we'll be going into something simple and vital for beginners in coding. As a beginner, you have to stop writing HTML code like this. You are doing it wrong. I've seen most beginners write code like this. Just let's start with HTML, followed by div tag, div tag, div tag, div tag. It works, but it is a bad practice. This code has no meaning whatsoever. Browser don't understand this well, and it is even terrible for SEO. So how do we fix this? It's simple, but first you have to understand why this thing is a problem. When you start with HTML and you follow it straight away with div tag, you don't give this your site a semantic meaning. You don't give it no structure. It's just like giving it just divs everywhere. It doesn't have no descriptive. So as a beginner, you have to understand the fundamental basic of HTML. You have to make sure you structure your site in a way that will make you look way more professional. The reason why this code is bad is because look at it. It sounds like just a random code. It doesn't have meaning. It is bad for SEO. And it's even hard for browser to pass. When something is hard for browser to pass, it leads to slower to render and a poor performance. Now, how do we do this? So how do we transform from chaos to clarity? How do we graduate from a bad unstructured code to a well-structured meaning and descriptive code? If you take a look at this screen, this is a well-structured code. It starts with type type. It starts with HTML tag, followed by different sections with different tag. Example, now we have a head tag here, meaning that we are in head section. Followed by nav tag, meaning that we have nav section. As opposed to our previous way of writing code is just div tag everywhere. Now look at this semantic HTML tags. It's a well-structured site. It has its header, it has its navigation bar, it has its footer bar, it has its button tag. All these tags have names which make them different, which pass different instructions to the browser. So when you code your site in a way that will pass different instructions to the browser, this will understand how to optimize it in a way that will make it more available to the people searching for it. If you look at this crafting digital experience website, you can see this is a well-professional website. So if you are thinking of building a website like this as a beginner, you have to make sure you understand the basic fundamental. You should not be in haste, because as a beginner, you have the opportunity to learn the basic of this thing professionally. For more coding tips like this, subscribe to Hiscript Academy. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget, make sure you turn the notification bell on, because from time to time we always drop a more informative, educative video like this on our channel. Thank you.